is going to be our parent equation, parent equation. Our graph has this thing on it. What did I call that? Asymptote. 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 Don't do that. Asymptote. Asymptote. Kind of don't say the P. Asymptote. All right. It comes up a little bit. In fact, it comes up a distance of 1. It goes whee! Faster than a parabola. But on this side, it's like me on a Monday. Okay? Not a parabola, like that. Faster than a parabola on this side, slow, trying to touch the line. Have you ever taken 2 magnets and you try to push them together and they won't go together? Mm-hmm. It's like that. It's like, here's the magnet and you're trying to push this magnet closer. It won't ever touch.
What is the other word?
A-S...
No, I mean the E.
Oh, E-X-P-O-N-E-N...
Oh.
Sorry, T-I-A-L. Sorry. It's a little better. Okay. We could have a graph where the asymptote is somewhere else. And it could be really low. Domain. Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. What do you think? Domain.
All numbers.
It's all real numbers. Okay? How about this one? Domain.
All numbers.
Okay, nice. Sorry, I said you could write the words, so I'll write the words. Range. Across. It gets closer and closer and closer. What do you think about the range? It's positive, except what?
0.
Can it have 0?
No.
Where'd the other one go? This one can have 0. This one cannot have 0. This one can have 0. There's an asymptote. This one cannot have 0. Because there's an asymptote. This one. Range. What do you think?
Greater than.
Whatever this asymptote is, it's everything except y is greater than, but cannot have, whatever this line is.
I'm so confused about what an asymptote is.
An asymptote is a line that you will draw the asymptote on your graph, but it won't show up on your calculator. It's not really there. For example, what I mean is, can you ever have 10 to the something that gets you 0? I can't ever have y being 0. It's just not possible. I can have it being 1. 10 to the 0 is 1. That's how I got this one. But there's no way to make it equal 0. And because there is no way to get that, I can get all the numbers but not that one. There's an asymptote here. In this one, I can't get negative numbers, but I also can't plug in negative numbers. I can't plug them in and I can't get them out, so there's no graph. Here I could try to plug in positives and negatives. I can plug in every x value I can think of, all of them. But I will never ever get 0 or anything under 0. You can't get 0. Logarithmic looks like